In this short video, I'll be showcasing some exciting Cardano dApps that you can start using today. Remember, always do your own research when it comes to investing in crypto, as there are risks involved. The largest decentralized exchange on Cardano offers a fantastic opportunity to stake min and earn ADA, among many other asset pairs. It's a great way to leverage your assets. Remember, this isn't financial advice. It's about exploring the possibilities. Next up, we have Liqwid Finance, the first non-custodial pooled lending protocol with liquid staking built on Cardano. Currently, USDC is yielding 14% APY, which is quite attractive given the market circumstances. It's a promising option for those looking to borrow or lend in the Cardano ecosystem. Now let's discuss how to bridge stablecoins to Cardano using the on-chain bridge. This integration allows you to seamlessly transfer stablecoins onto Cardano, enabling you to start earning through platforms like Liqwid Finance and MinSwap. Follow this step-by-step guide. Visit the on-chain bridge website, bridge.onchain.org. Connect your preferred wallet that holds stablecoins. In this case, we'll be using MetaMask, which has some WON USDT that we want to move to Cardano. After connecting your wallet, choose the stablecoin you wish to bridge and the source chain. Input Cardano as the destination chain and confirm the recipient address. Start the bridging process and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed. For me, this process took only a few minutes. Once the transaction is confirmed, your stablecoins will be available on Cardano. Now you're ready to explore the exciting DeFi opportunities on Cardano with your bridged stablecoins. Whether it's staking, lending, or trading, Cardano offers a variety of options to grow your crypto assets. Always stay informed and make smart investment decisions that suit your financial goals.